If you guys are looking for a kit that has everything in it, this is it right here. Let me show you this. This is freaky. I'm gonna pop this open. I'm gonna open it up. Hopefully nothing falls out. Ooh, look at this. This is insane. Oh, one thing did pop off, and that was this screwdriver. So let me just smash it back in there. So anyway, they're supposed to stay in their place, but they don't. But let's go over everything. So you got flathead screwdrivers. You got another driver here that you can take nuts off with. You've got the Phillips head, and then you got the same thing but in small. So you got, look at this. You got the Phillips head and flatheads in small. So you can see it. Let me put my finger there. And then over here you've got a blade to cut. You've got Allen wrenches. You got all of these sockets. You got these heads, flatheads, and you've got the Phillips heads. And then you've got this to measure electricity. You've got some bits over here, and you got another extender here that you can put on there, and it's got like a bolt driver on it, which is pretty cool, right? Then you've got a pair of pliers, the flat pliers, which are fantastic. Then you got needle nose pliers. You got a small hammer. You got a little wrench here. You got a bunch of different types of screws and anchors in here that you can use. And then over here you've got, look at this, a tape measure. You got a tape measure with it. And the pièce de résistance of all, here's the battery, here's some driving heads, and here's your driver. Check it out. This thing is awesome. And check this out. I think that this is 21 volts. And this comes with this lithium battery, which looks a lot like the DeWalt battery. I mean, it's very close. And it all fits in this case. So when you've got a job and you got to grab something quick and go fix something, you grab this case, take it to the job, and bam, Bob's your uncle. It's super, super easy. Here's the driver. Now, of course, I don't have the battery in it, right? So I can go ahead and smash the battery in, and it should work. It's already got a charge on it. It's got this little thing here, and it does have a light, just like a DeWalt. And I got to tell you, man, this looks like it was made in this same factory as the DeWalt, or it was designed just like it. And it's a great driver, so I would highly recommend getting this. You got your torque area here, so you can torque it up. I mean, you can really torque this one up to 19, 21, 25 you can torque it up to. Look at this. That's crazy. Don't put your hands on there if you do it that high. I'm going to keep it low down here. So anyway, to make it go forward, I press this side. To make it go reverse, I press this side. It's really simple. It's got, just like the DeWalt, it's got this thing up here. So I would put this on the same level as that. You could just store it like this. You'll just put it back in there like that. But I recommend taking the battery off. Yeah, I think that's the way you got to do it. Then when you got it all in there like that, you're ready to go. Now you can just get it ready to go to the next job. You just set her down, close her up, and bam, Bob's your uncle, man. You're working it. Look at that. You just show up at the job with this. Highly recommend getting one. Right here on Amazon.